Hi lovely yogis, welcome to Sash yoga class. Make sure that you subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's do 5 poses today. First one is staff pose. Put your hands behind your back. On inhale, head goes at the back. On exhale, head goes forward. One more time, inhale, exhale, head forward, inhale, head back, exhale, head forward. Next second pose is seated forward bend. Bring hands in the air, inhale, on exhale we will grab our feet. One foot in one hand, the other foot in the other hand. You can close your eyes. And then we will go to head to knee pose. We will bound our right knee, left leg straight, hands in the air, and then we will grab left foot. If you want to do a little bit harder, you will put your head forward and bring closer to our knee. Head up, inhale, hug the knee, right hands at the back. With left hand we will grab left foot, lift up in the air, relax. Bring both legs together. One more time, seated forward bend. On inhale, hands up in the air. On exhale, grab our feet. Now we will bound our left leg. Put on 90 degrees. Right leg is straight forward. On inhale, hands in the air. Exhale, we will grab our right foot. If you want to do a little bit harder, grab the leg and put forehead closer to the knee. Always exhale when heads go down. Inhale, head up. Bring both legs together. One more time, seated forward bend. Inhale, exhale, grab our feet. Next pose, it's my favorite. It's called BADHHA KONASANA or bound angle pose. We will grab our feet, bring closer to our pelvis. We can put our hands on our knee, stretch the back, stretch. Make sure that you breathe here. We can stretch one leg and then the other. So first we will grab our right leg, lift up in the air, stretch, then left leg in the air. Or we can do both legs in the air, but make sure if you lose balance in this pose, always start from the beginning. The best way is to watch one spot in front of you, so in this case you will not lose the balance. Let's go to easy pose. Put hands in front of us, head to our hands, release. Next pose, it's Heron pose, KROUNCHASANA. We will use strap in this pose. So one leg goes next to our body. In this case, right leg is straight, the other leg is bounded. Inhale, exhale, grab right foot, then put strap around the foot and lift up in the air. Back needs to be straight. It's very important to keep your back straight and then lift up your leg as much as you can. If you feel any pain, just release the strap. Bring both legs together. Relax hands. Now the other side. So we will bound in this case right leg. Inhale, grab our left foot, and then we will use a strap. We will put strap around our left foot and lift up our leg in the air. Like I've already mentioned, make sure that you keep your back very straight. Do not lose your back, keep them straight. Let's put our leg down slowly. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. After this pose, we will just lie down on the floor. Thank you so much.